Hi everybody, Dave Reed here with Origin Rehab. Here to show you today how to make a homemade hot pack using just a few items that you can find at your local dollar store. First, I'd ask you to please like, subscribe, and share this video and this channel with your friends. It helps us to grow and it helps us to bring you more videos just like this to help you do some of the interesting things that you can do to take care of your body. First, you're going to need a few different things. You're going to need just some rice, tube socks. I bought 4 of these for $1 at the dollar store. And just a simple pair of kitchen scissors. Very easy. First, you're going to want to just cut a hole in the corner of the rice bag. Small hole is good because you don't want to spill the rice. Second, I recommend putting the tube sock all the way over that rice bag. So if you want to, I suppose you could cut a little bit bigger hole. So sometimes slow and steady does win the race. And then you just empty that rice right into the tube sock. You can see how it's getting a little bit heavier. Get full, you can kind of push it down. The whole bag of rice, almost the whole bag of rice anyway, should fit. If you have to fight with the last couple of grains, probably not worth it. Just like that. And then once it's there, tie it off at the end. Tie it nice and tight. And there you have it. Just a nice hot pack. So what we'll do from here is we'll put it into the microwave. So we have a nice, warm, not hot to the touch hot pack that is ready to use. Just to show you, we have a thermometer here, just a digital thermometer. The surface temperature of the counter is 71.3 degrees, and the surface temperature of the hot pack is 135. So nice and warm, not terribly hot. From here, you'll just put it on your shoulder. You can wrap it around your neck. And just pay attention that you don't that it doesn't start to burn. That's really the only precaution here. If it's getting a little bit too warm, you can put a towel between your skin and the hot pack. But that's about it. So that's how you make an at-home hot pack with just a few items that you can find at your local dollar store. Thank you again for watching the video. Please again like, subscribe, and share this video and the channel with your friends.